News now in detail, and President Akufo-Addo has signed into law the Electronic Transfer Levy Bill, also known as the E-Levy, after it was passed by Parliament without the minority. The signing now paves way for its implementation, which the Finance Minister hinted will begin in May. It comes barely a day after the minority in Parliament filed a suit at the Supreme Court to challenge the passage of the E-Levy, insisting Parliament did not have the numbers to pass it. Parliament passed the bill on Tuesday, March 29, after 8 amendments from 1.75% to 1.5% on Tuesday, March 29. The charge will apply to electronic transactions that are more than 100 cedis on daily basis.
So, Portia, as we do know now, since this particular E-Levy bill was first mentioned by the Finance Minister on November 17, it's traveled a very murky path from November 17 till date. Since that period, we've seen brawls and blows and walkouts that has characterized this process of debate and conversation about the E-Levy, especially in Parliament, until a couple of days ago when Parliament, the majority side of Parliament, approved this particular E-Levy. Now we know yesterday as well that the minority is challenging this particular decision at the Supreme Court. But take a look at what the Constitution says of what has happened now with the President accenting to this particular bill. Article 106(11) of the 1992 Constitution says, and I quote, "Without prejudice to the power of Parliament to postpone the operation of a law, a bill shall not, the emphasis is on shall, not become law until it has been duly passed and accented to, in accordance with the provisions of this 1992 Constitution, and shall not come into force unless it has been published in the Gazette." So we've crossed a number of paths in this particular Article 106(11) of the 1992 Constitution. Now, it's been passed by Parliament. It's been assented by the President today. The final stage before application is for it to be published in the Gazette. It shall not come into force unless it has been published in the Gazette. And that will be done as far as we know, Portia, in the next 21 days. That is what this gazetting period is. Yeah. And it's expected that within the next 21 days ahead of us, we'll see this last part of the law fulfilled. Then, what the Finance Minister said, that by May 1, it may take effect, would obviously be in place, because we have just about a 1 month period between now and May 1, as the Finance Minister talked about.